Now paper number 44, Cgl Tier 1. Now in this one, coming to question number 1, coding and decoding. Now in this KBSPWJS is written as so and so, then how is this word written as? What happened? K B S P W J A F. And what is the code we have? And the code is FOTW. FOTW. FOTW NAJE. NAJE. Now in the same way, how is this word BEK? BEK VT UF. And what is the code to this one? Now K and O, if you observe here, K plus 4 is O, B plus 4. Plus 4, then they were reversed. S plus 4, P plus 4. W plus 4, J plus 4, A plus 4, F plus 4. And in the same way, B plus 4 is F, E plus 4 is I. K plus 4 is O, 22 plus 4, 26 is Z. And next one, BEKV, TUFS. Now TUFS. Now here, U plus 4, Y. Now this is X, S plus 4 is W, and this is Z. Then what is your answer here? And the choice 2. IFZOYXWZ. Then coming to question number 2. Now we need to find out the series here. W and U. The difference is -2. U minus 2 is S. S minus 2 is Q. First element is Q. Second B and Y. 28 and 25 minus 3. Minus 3. 22 minus 3, 19 is S. And G and C. 7 minus 4 is 3. 29 minus 4. And 25 minus 4 is 20. And so what is your answer? QS2, choice 2, question number, choice 1, question number 2. The next one, question number 3. What is the color of grass? Grass is green in color. Green is called red. Red, that is choice 4. Then fourth one. Now we need to find out the meaningful order of this one. Now tell me what is the meaningful order. Now first one, centenary. And next one is diamond jubilee. And next one, golden jubilee. And next, silver jubilee and anniversary. Now all these were in the descending order of the years. Then fifth one. Now in this question number 5, tell me how many elements are there? Total 24. Now this 24 can be written into. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First element is what? A, E and B. A, E and B. A, E, B, F, C, G. 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 Then tell me what are the elements that are missed out. E, C, A, B. E, C, A, B. F, G, E, C. Choice 3, question number 5. The next one, sixth one. Now in this question number 6, E, F, B, U, I. E, F, B, U, I. E, F, B, U, I. J, A, Y, Q, M. J, A, Y, Q, and M. And in the same way, then M, J, U, S, F. M, J, U, S, F is written as. Then if you check out E and J, what is the difference we have? Plus 5. F and A minus 5. And here, B and Y, they are opposite to each other. U and Q minus 4. I and M plus 4. And first letter plus 5 minus 5 opposite. And next one minus 4 plus 4. Now plus 5, M plus 5, 13 plus 5, 18. Now here 10 minus 5 is 5, fifth letter is E. And U's opposite letter is F. Now S minus 4, 19 minus 4 is 15 is O. And next one, and 6 plus 4 is 10. R, E, F, O, G. R, E, F, O, G, choice 1, question number 6. Then seventh one, now some lizards or snakes. Now these are the lizards that are snake, lizard and a snake. Some lizards are snakes, and all snakes are poisonous. This entire snakes is a part of this poisonous, and all lizards are reptiles. Then coming to first one, some reptiles are poisonous, definitely true. Some poisonous or lizards is also true. Some reptiles or snakes is also true. And so what is your answer? All the given conclusions are true. And all 1, 2 and 3 follow choice 3, question number 7. The next one, eighth one. Now in this 8, now we need to check what the symbols here. Now equals to. Now 73. Final element must be 73. Now this is plus and division. Now minus. Now 80 into 22 itself is around 1600. Hence it cannot be 73. 1 is ruled out. And next one, this is plus, division, and minus and equals to. Then now 48 into 3. Now here 80 divided by 22. And is it a perfective divisible here? No. Choice 3 is ruled out. And choice, and here again, now into divided by same case. Then choice 4 and equal to, and next one, and what is the next one? We have minus and plus, division, and next one is what? Into. Now 24 divided by 48, 5. 5 into 3, 15. Now 15, 80 plus 15, 95 minus 22. And so what is your answer here? Choice 4, question number 8. The ninth one, we need to find out the figure that has to complete in this figure. Figure completion. Now in this one, now this line must go like this, and followed by what? And followed by, and again you need to have another line like this. Then it is given in choice 1, question number 9. And 10th one, my 10th chesara? Is done? Now 10th one. 81 can be written as 27 into 3. Now 27 can be written as 3 cube. Now 3 cube into 3, that is 3. And here 7. 7 cube is so much? 343. Into 3, 1029. Now this is 7 cube into 3. 7. Now here 5. And then what should the next number? 5 cube into 3. And now 5 cube into 3, 125 into 3. That is 375, choice 2, question number 10. The next one, 11th one. Point into the photograph of a boy. Ruby said. Who is the speaker here? Ruby. And he is my. He is my means the boy is my mother's. Now Ruby is here. And Ruby's mother is A. My mother's father. Father is B. And my mother's father's son. And father's son is C. Son's only sister. Only sister is A. And A's son. Now A's son, who is that person here? Only sister's son. That is Ruby. Then how is Ruby's mother related to boy's father? And Ruby's mother. And related to whom? Now this is the boy. Boy's mother is the wife. Isn't it? Now that person and this boy's father are spouses to each other. Hence Ruby's mother is related to this boy as wife. Choice 3, question number 11. Then 12th one, there are some 8 persons, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W, and they are seated in 2 rows of 4 persons each. Now 2 rows of 4 persons each, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And persons sitting in both rows are facing each other. P is facing S. Now P and S are opposite to each other. Now P is facing S, and T is to the immediate left of V. Now T is to the immediate left of V, and T is to the immediate left of V. V is here, and T is here. And T is to the immediate left of V. W is to the immediate right of Q, and W is to the immediate right of Q, and R is facing V. R and V are opposite to each other. V is here, R is here, and T is at this place. And R is facing V, U is facing W. Now U and W are opposite to each other, isn't it? Then U is facing W, Q is to the immediate right of the person who is facing V. And Q is to the immediate right of the person who is facing V. Facing V. V ke R ke opposite is Q. And next one, and S is to the immediate left of U. S is to the immediate left of U, S and U must be like this. Then in this case, which 4 persons are sitting in the same row? Now tell me which 4 persons are sitting in the same row. Now V is here, T is here, and at the same time P is opposite to this one, Q and W. Now Q and W is at this place, isn't it? At the same time P and R must also be at the same place. And so are the 4 persons. Now P, W, Q and R, and to these 4 persons, and who are the persons? S, U, T and V and T. Must have been the leather. Then check out this arrangement here. Now P is facing S. T is to the immediate left of V. W is to the immediate right of Q. R is facing V. And U is facing W. Q is to the immediate right of the person who is facing V. Then S is to the immediate left of U. Then which four persons are in the same row? Now P, the Q, W, R. P, Q, R, W choice. The next one, coming to question number 13. Now a paper is folded. A paper is folded and has been cut along this like this. Then when it is open, then now tell me how will that opens here? The open now let us take first, let us take mirror image. Now when mirror image, these are the two elements that are there. These are the two elements that are there. Then from here to here, that is water image. Now these two circles will form like this, and this form a circle, and this form a circle. Then choice 2, question number 13. Then 14th one, flower. Now flower and floriculture, what is the relation between these two? No. And now the production of flower is called floriculture. Isn't the science of, what do you say? Now cultivating this flower is called floriculture. And in the same way, mushroom and silk, sericulture, it is silviculture is ruled. Sericulture. And earthworm is vermiculture, choice 3. Then coming to question number 15. Now in this 15 one, if the first 13 letters, altogether how many letters are there? 13. The first 13 letters of the English alphabet is written in the reverse order. That is, first 13 means M, L, K, and so on up to E. Then the remaining letters are written in the same order. That is, N to Z written in the same. Then which will be 17th from the right hand side. Now by this one, 13 letters were already done. 14, 15, 16, 17. D is the letter choice. D, that is choice 1, question number 15. Then 16th one, Harish wears 5 different shirts, red, green, and yellow, on 5 different days starting from Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now these are the 5 days we have. And he wears a red shirt on Wednesday. Now this Harish wears red shirt on Wednesday. And he does not wear green and brown clothes on Monday and Friday. Monday and Friday, green and brown. Green ikkadunte, brown ikkaduntundi. Or if green is here, then brown is here. And they get green and brown. Then he does not wear green and brown clothes on Monday or Friday. Monday or Friday lo green ledu, brown ledu. The remaining, and he wears green shirt on the next day of wearing yellow. Green is next day of yellow. Green cannot be here, hence green is here. Yellow, and the color that is left over is purple. Then the brown shirt, and brown shirt will be on Thursday. That is choice 4, question number 16. Then 17th one, 17. What day of the week was 14th March 2011? Now 14th March 2011. Chesaru evarena? Ela chesaru? Now 2011. 2000 years, 0 odd days. Then next time is called 2010. Now in these 10 years, how many leap years are there? 2. Total number of odd days, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 divided by 7, and the 5. 5 days. 2010 అయిపోయింది. 11. January 3, February 0, March 14 is 0. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 divided by 7, 1. And 1 is what? And 8 divided by 7, 1, Monday. మా ఫాలో అయ్యారా లేదా? సెపరేట్గా చెప్పమంటారా మళ్ళీ? సెపరేట్గా డ్రా చేయమంటే మళ్ళీ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దిస్ వన్ వన్స్ అగైన్. Is clear? Then coming back to 17th one. Now 14th March 2011. Now 14th March 2011. Now what is the year running now? 2011. How many years were completed before this? 2010. Now 2010 can be written as, first we need to take 1st January, 1st AD to 2010 years. All these 2010 years were completed. Hence, 1st Jan, 1st AD to 1st Jan, 1st AD to 2010 years were completed. Now the running year, that is 1st Jan to 14th March 2011. Then this is how we are representing this one. Now, in these 2010 years, and how many leap years are there? This can be written as 400 into 5, 2000, plus 10 years, plus 2011, this one. Then 400 years will have how many odd days? 0. Now 0 into 5, 0. And these 10 years will have how many leap years? 2 leap years, 2004 and 2008. How many non-leap years? The remaining 8 non-leap years, plus this one. Now here 0 into 5, 0. A leap year will have how many odd days? 2. And so 2 into 2, 4. Non-leap year 1. 8 into 1, 8. Plus, now this one. 4 plus 8 is how much? 12. 12 plus, now in the month of January 2011, 3. February 2011, non-leap year, 28, 0. And March, we need up to 14. And 14 means 14 divided by 7, 0. And finally, how many odd days? 15. Now 15 divided by 7, 1 odd day. Finally, if you have 1 odd day, that is Monday. 2 odd days, Tuesday, and so on. And Monday. This is the regular way of doing this one. But whereas without working all these steps, now the direct method, what we have explained in the previously. Then, my path walk method regularly discuss. Then we have come to the direct method. But yes, there were some new students into this batch. And that is the reason I have explained this one once again. And first, try to work out this one. And if you are very thorough, then from next time onwards, let us move directly to this question. Okay? 17th one. Let's write down this one first. Now 18th one. Now coming to question number 18. Now in the following question from the given alternative word, select the word which cannot be formed. Now the question is about cannot be formed. Then, now in these type of questions, first you need to check out whether the question is about formed or cannot be formed. And 2 types of questions will be given. Then in this one, cannot be formed relation. RELATION, yes, it can be formed. Brittle, RITTLE, yes, it can be formed. Britain, BRITAN can be formed. Browse, BROA, C is not there. As C is not there, choice 4 cannot be formed. Then next come into question number 19. Now in this 19th one, we need to find out the image of this one. Now, mirror image. Now mirror image to this figure. We need to find out the mirror image to this figure. Now this is the figure we have. Now left hand side. Now to this left hand, this arrow which is at the right hand side when turned to the left hand side. Now this will gone, isn't it? And next one, now this shading must come to the right hand side. Shading is at the right hand side, this also gone. Then coming back to this one, this shading is to the right hand side, it must be left hand side but not at the bottom. And so choice 1, question number 19. Then 20th, now rearrange the jumbled letters in their natural sequence and find out the odd one. As tell me what is the first one we have? Now first one is Brazil, isn't it? Now Brazil, and next Gujarat. Brazil, Gujarat. Now the words are given in the jumbled form. And next one here, Canada, CANADA, Canada. And next one, and here it is France. Then except choice 2. The remaining 3 are what? The remaining 3 are countries. But a choice 2 is a state. 20 it is choice 2. Then 21st, in a certain core language, the word separate. Now SCPA, RATE. Now the code given to the word separate is, and what is the code? UF or FT? UF or FT BVF. FT BVF. Then how is the word clone written in this one? CLOWN. Now S and U, tell me what is the difference we have between these two? One difference is in Japanese plus how much? Now S and U, that is plus 2. E and F plus 1. Here the difference is plus 2 plus 1. P and R 2. A and F, what is the difference we have? And A and F. Here the difference is so much plus 5. isn't it? R plus 2. And next one, A plus 1, UFR, my UFR FT, PE, SCPE, is separate. Now here the difference is how much? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, plus 2, plus 1. Now these are the letters where we have added plus 1 for the remaining plus 2. For which letters we have added plus 1? For vowels. Consonant plus 2. Now C plus 2 E, L plus 2 N, W plus 2 Y, N plus 2 V, and O plus 1 P. ENPYP. ENPYP, choice 3, question number 21. Then 22nd, now A and B both start from the same point. A and B both start from a same point, and A walks 17 meters west. Now this is the starting point from here. Now this A walks how many meters? 17 meters west. Then turns right and walks for how many meters? 13 meters. Then at the same time B walks 9 meters north. Now here B walks 9 meters north. Now both these two persons started at the same point, isn't it? B is 9 meters north and then turns east and walks how many meters? 7 meters. Then turn to his left and walks how many meters? 4 more. And 4. 9 plus 4. Now this is the final position of B and this is the final position of A. Now the vertical direction 9 plus 4 equals to 13. Now they were differed with only the horizontal distance. Then where is B now with respect to A? Now B is towards east. And what is the distance? 17 plus 7. 24 towards east. Choice for question number 22. The next one, 23rd. Now in this question number 23, 12 plus 18. What is the sum of these two? 12 plus 18, 30 into 3, 90. Now 18 plus 9. How much is this? 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 into how much? 27 into 3. It is 81 but not 82. 9 plus 14, 23. Now 23 into 4, 72. 23 into 3. I'm on next one, Japan. 15 plus 13 and 28 and into 3. 86 is ruled out. 16 plus 12, 28 into 3, 50, 84. Choice for question number 23. Then 24th one, we need to find out the color that is opposite to green. Now green ki opposite kaval. Now green ki opposite, where is green here? Green ki opposite. Now if you observe here, green is at this place, isn't it? Now to this green, orange red, orange white. Then by taking these two figures. Now green pakkana emi unnai? Now green, white and orange. White and orange adjacent to this green, and they cannot be opposite to green. Now again, now to this one. Now to this one, orange if you observe here. My రెండిట్లుగా కామన్గా ఉన్నది ఏముంది? ఆరెంజ్ ఉంది. ఆరెంజ్కి పక్కనే ఉన్నాయి green and white. They cannot be opposite to orange. Now here violet and red are adjacent but cannot be opposite, and orange cannot be opposite to orange. Then what is the only color left over here? Violet. Hence orange and violet are opposite to each other. అవునా కదా? And violet and this one are opposite to each other. మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ గ్రీన్ కదా. Now if it is green, మాకు గ్రీన్ తీసుకోండి. Now green is the element that is common here. డాట్స్ ఎందుకు వస్తున్నాయి? డాట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కదా? గ్రీనే ఇక్కడ అంతా గ్రీనే కదా, ఇది ఒక్కటే కాదు కదా. Is question number 24. Now we need to find out the color that is opposite to green. Now green ki opposite చూడండి. Now green is common here, green is common here. White, orange. Orange is also common. మా ఈ రెండిట్లో మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, గ్రీన్ అండ్ ఆరెంజ్కి ఆపోజిట్ రెడ్, గ్రీన్ అండ్ ఆరెంజ్కి ఆపోజిట్ ఆరెంజ్. రెడ్ అండ్ ఆరెంజ్ ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. దట్స్ ద ఓన్లీ థింగ్ వీ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు డిరైవ్. రెడ్ అండ్ ఆరెంజ్. కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకు క్వశ్చన్ గ్రీన్, isn't it? Hence 1 and 2 cannot be used. Then if you use 1 and 3. Now if you use 1 and 3, orange ki opposite. Now to this orange, green, red are adjacent, isn't it? Now green and red are adjacent to and orange. Ikkada manaki violet and red are adjacent. And violet and red are adjacent. Now green. Ma green ki chudandi ippudu red and orange are adjacent to green, isn't it? And red ki orange ki adjacent undi violet. Now red ki orange ki pakkana unnadi green undi and inko pakkemo violet undi. And switch to are opposite, green and violet are opposite, choice to 24. Clear? Then 25th one. Now we need to find out the figure that is embedded into this. Now figure that is embedded, second option. Now in this second option, starting from where? My current. Now this is a line, then from here, and this is the parallel line. Now here, this is one more line. Now here we need to have a line like this. Unda layer. Hence next one. Now coming back to this one, this is a line, then slant line, straight, and this is the. And so what is your answer? Choice to question number 25. Clear?